All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about the bane of auto tech's life and the tools to get them out. In case you can't tell, I'm talking about plastic trim clips. You know, these stupid things that hold, well, almost all cars together nowadays. I mean, front ends are held on with them, no screws, just these things, and the tools to get them out. I'm sure most of you are familiar with these. You know, you go in, you know, you squeeze under it and you hope to pull it out. Instead, it just rips the head off and you're stuck, you know, punching it out and you get mad. These are crap. Don't buy them. So we're going to talk about some much better alternatives. And these are not one of them either. Now this one is branded Matco, but it's by Dent Fix, and they suck too. But I didn't buy them for pulling plastic trim clips. I use them to pull fuses. They actually sit in my diagnostic cart for pulling fuses because they're really good at, you know, just grabbing an individual fuse and pulling it up rather than having a pair of needle nose or whatever. But for trim clips, they suck. My two go-to tools are these. My favorite until recently were these two tools from Matco. Part number is UP03MB and UP04MB. And you can see they've got a nice little fork in them, and I'm sure other companies make similar ones. I just like these. You know, they're orange. But these were my go-to. And until recently, these are a great option if you can't find the other one. Still use them all the time. Now my go-to is this one, this little tool right here by Dent Fix. Dent Fix, part number DF625. And I'll put links in the description to these tools so you can find them. I don't think these are available on Amazon, but if they are, I'll put an Amazon link in the store. But my go-to favorites now. Really great tools. So let's see how they work. So hopefully these tools will help you with the bane of our existence. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification to get notified when I put out new videos. If you didn't like the videos, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.